Introducing the 2022 Ford Puma Titan. 5D 1.0T 125 Mhev M6 FWD in sleek black. This MPV is equipped with a 1-litre petrol-electric engine, manual transmission, and a range of comfort and safety features to make every journey a breeze. From the ambient lighting and Bluetooth connectivity to the collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with luxury trim, security features like centralised locking, and styling elements like the chrome package, you'll be turning heads everywhere you go. Rest assured with the full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty included. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details today.